Hi, this is Tim Yoder, Fit Small Business. Today I am evaluating Sunrise on Chapter 4 of the Fit Small Business case study on banking and cash management features. Let's get started. So, with banking, it is going to be a little more difficult because we can't create a hypothetical bank account to connect it to. So, we're going to have to kind of just look to see how it appears it's going to work without actually making the connection. Fit Plumbing's checking account is a U.S. bank. Can the software connect to the bank account to automatically uh, update transactions on a daily basis? And then also, can you upload a file? So those are the two basic ways you can import transactions. So let's look at Sunrise. This is the main dashboard. Go to bank accounts. Our checking account, no bank connected. Let's view our account. Here's it gives us all of our transactions that we've entered. Obviously, nothing's matched because we're not connected to a bank account. Um, Link to my bank account. That looks promising. Links through Finicity. Certainly looks like it's going to work. So we want U.S. Bank. Good. Okay. And so within, um, actually, did I pick the wrong one here? Yeah. Uh, yeah. There we go. U.S. Bank. So U.S. Bank. Okay, there we go. That looks like my normal login screen, so I could log in and it should transfer over the transactions correctly. Okay, so we're going to exit that. Good, so in our rubric here, we're evaluating Sunrise. Software connects to the bank account. Yes, so we're going to give it a point there. Okay, will it upload a file of transactions? So some people prefer not to connect to the bank account. They want to just bring over transactions manually. I think we can do that. Um, okay, here we go. So if we look at our unmatched transactions, this is where once you connect, your unlinked transactions will show up. And it looks like rather than link to the bank account, we can actually upload a bank statement. So let's take a look at that. Um, Upload a bank statement. So it certainly appears like we're going to be able to do that. Um, yeah, so you'll have to play around with it and see if you can upload. Preferably, you could upload. Certainly, you could upload CSV files, but you may be able to upload files a little bit easier than that, like files intended for QuickBooks or something like that. But you can definitely upload your bank statements. Now, that would be contingent on you being able to download the activity from your bank website, but that is generally possible. Okay, so back to our rubric. Software will upload file of transactions. Absolutely. Okay. Back to our case study. Let's reconcile the checking register with the following bank statement, and we give you a bank statement here. And then you should have the following outstanding checks, and then after the bank rec, you want to view your outstanding transactions, print a reconciliation report. Okay. So let's look at Sunrise. Unfortunately, I do not believe Sunrise has any feature to reconcile your account. So generally, it would be somewhere in this screen. So let's go up here. Edit, upload, archive, manual, bank feed, connections. No, I would if they have a reconciliation feature, I would certainly expect it to be there. I have looked around other places. Sometimes your chart of accounts will give you a reconciliation feature for each account. I don't see it there as well. So they do not have a they don't have a bank reconciliation feature. Now with Sunrise, there's actually an assisted bookkeeping option that you pay for, and that assisted bookkeeping option will reconcile your accounts for you. So if you want your accounts reconciled, you have to get that service, or you just have to do it manually, which is certainly possible, like in an Excel spreadsheet or something. Okay, but you cannot reconcile your bank accounts without paying for the assisted bookkeeping service. So that is unfortunate. That's kind of a big missing feature. But Sunrise has been updating things frequently, so we'll have to wait and see if they update that. So no bank reconciliation. So we can't do any of these items because these are all parts of the bank reconciliation. Okay. So do credit cards have the same transfer reconciliation features? And so essentially we're asking, can you do the same thing with credit cards that you can with a checking account? So let's look at our credit card. Yes, it looks like credit cards you can link to a bank account exactly like you would a checking account. So yes, we can do that with the credit card. Okay. Also, let's make sure we can. Yes, so again, you can upload a bank statement. So credit cards are treated exactly the same as bank accounts. You can do the same type of stuff, which in Sunrise means you can import transactions either in real time by connecting the accounts or uploading a bank statement. However, you cannot reconcile the account. Okay, there we go. And that's it. A short video for banking and cash management for Sunrise.